Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update ORC versus Parquet strategy using To update an ORC versus Parquet strategy using AWS Athena, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Athena service from the console dashboard. Once in the Athena interface, select the database where your current ORC and Parquet tables are stored. Run a query to retrieve the existing table definitions for both ORC and Parquet formats. Review the output to understand the schema and data types you're currently using. Next, assess the performance requirements of your queries and the characteristics of your data. Decide whether to continue using ORC, switch to Parquet, or use both formats to optimize for different use cases. If updating your strategy, create a new table definition for the desired format, either ORC or Parquet. Use the appropriate create table statement, specifying the necessary columns and data types. In the table definition, ensure the location points to the S3 bucket where the data files are stored. If data is currently in ORC format, run a conversion process to move it into the new Parquet table, if necessary. Use the AWS Glue service or another ETL tool to facilitate this conversion and migration of data. Once the new table is created and populated, run a few test queries to evaluate performance. Compare the query results and execution times against the original ORC table. Analyze the results to see if the new strategy meets your performance goals and data access patterns. If satisfied with the Parquet performance, consider updating any relevant applications that query this data. Document the changes made during this process for future reference or team knowledge. Finally, monitor your Athena usage and query performance continuously to ensure optimal strategies moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.